Yo, so how's it going, guys? And welcome to another unboxing video. Now, I don't really usually do unboxing videos. I should do more as I'm getting more tech. But recently, now that I'm graduated, I got a bunch of, I guess, stuff. And one of the things I got is as a little present, or I guess for myself, for me graduating. Hold on, give me a second. And also my birthday's coming up as well. Is this thing right here. Now, if you guys don't know, this is the box for the Steam Deck. I don't know why Valve does this. There's like a plain old box, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, this is the Steam Deck. I just purchased it mainly because I do want to run some PS3 games and PS2 games on here, but also just to tinker around with Windows and stuff like that, dual booting and all that stuff. I'm very interested to see what this is. Right now, none of my devices can replace my gaming laptop in terms of basically playing Steam games on the go. So this thing I'm really excited for, as it's basically going to fulfill my niche, which really sucks. I wish the MacBook could do that because its battery life on emulation is absolutely astounding. But that's beside the point. So let's get into the unboxing right here. I'm not going to show you the front since that has my address and I don't want to dox myself. So yeah, so we go up here. You can see here that that is a Steam Deck. That's the Steam Deck logo. And so yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. I think I'll cut out opening the front of the box. So yeah, so let's pull out the Leatherman here. Now I did get the 64 gig version right here. So this is the 64 gigabyte version. Why did I do that? Simply because I do have a Micro Center nearby, and they have surprise SDs, especially for the Steam Deck. This is their 1 TB hard drive SSD upgrade, which is designed for the Surface and Steam Deck, and it's in the same SSD form factor. Got this for $130, which is really good, especially considering how on Amazon these things can go up to 200 for a 1 TB. So yeah, just gonna unbox it. Oh, look at me failing already. The unboxing here. Trying to make sure yeah. So there we go. All right, cool. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. I can't believe I forgot how to use my Leatherman already. All right, so let's get into it. So opening the Steam Deck here. There's the packaging right there. Wow. Okay, so here you go. Let's see here. As you can see here, so here's the attention stuff, attention plug in and then power on stuff. But I'm gonna first plug in and power on just to make sure that it works, and then we're gonna do the upgrade later. So yeah, let's put that aside. And here the Steam Deck. I'm pretty sure you've seen millions of people already unbox this before, but I'm excited because I've never actually owned one. So yeah, so let's see here. So first of all, this is the power brick. Pretty self-explanatory. Just a power adapter, simple USB-C one. I shouldn't have actually cut the knife. Okay, let's try. There we go. Let's open this up. I mean, it's a power brick, you know. What can I say about it? How much wattage is this anyway? Can't tell how much wattage, but I don't know. I have so many USB-C plugins, adapters, chargers, things that they don't need anything else. But anyways, to the main event, which is the Steam Deck itself. Your games are going places, so let's just set this aside. Whoops. Hopefully you didn't get that. So here, your games are going places. This is pretty much the Steam Deck right here, designed by Valve. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. There we go. So there you go. Games are going places. So this is the Steam Deck. This is the basic, 64 gigabyte model. And this is obviously, you can tell because this is not the premium case, because this is not color, first of all. So yeah, I mean, pretty basic stuff. I really like this case though. This case really reminds me of my Switch case that I use, which is really nice. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into opening up the rest of this. So you can see here that there's a little zip tie here. See if I can cut this off. Come on, there we go. Don't know why I had to use a knife for that. Wish I had scissors with me though, so let's go ahead and open the Steam Deck, see what we get. I'm excited to see what this looks like, or how it feels in person. So let's go ahead and open it up. 3, 2, 1, voila. Wow. It feels so weird because I've seen so many videos of it, of people playing on this thing, and it honestly feels much lighter than I expected. Like, this thing feels so much lighter. You can see my reflection in there. Well, there's a little face reveal right there, but yeah. You can see here. So this is the Steam Deck. 64 gigabyte, has this glossy back. I'll probably buy a screen protector or something like that. That shouldn't be a big deal. You can see here. I mean, if you look at this, right, you can see my phone in the what is it? My phone in the camera, which is hilarious, or in the reflection there. So you can see here, left R2, left, right bumpers, power button, A, B, X, Y. This thing, Steam Deck. Yeah. Honestly, though, this feels so much smaller than I thought it would be. Like, holy moly. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger, but this feels pretty small. Probably because I'm so used to seeing giant PCs. But this is pretty small. Actually, let me check on something here. I do have my Switch with me. I just need to find it here. So this is my Nintendo Switch right here. I just want to see the size. Okay, yeah. Like, this is like, I thought this was small. This was great, but this feels this honestly doesn't feel as heavy as I thought it would be, at least compared to the Switches that I played with. Switch Lite, yeah, you can definitely feel it, but like a normal Switch, you can't really feel the heft. So yeah, I mean, it's a Switch. It's a Steam Deck. What can you say? So, I guess I'll go ahead and plug it in. I do have this USB-C plug-in thing, so I can just plug it in here. See what happens. I don't need. Just turned on. Just heard the button. Yeah, just powered on. See if it does anything. I want to make sure that the Steam Deck first, the OS works first before doing anything with it. So let's see here. Yeah, so you can see here the Steam Deck logo. You can. Yeah, so just checking to see. You can see here the Steam Deck is booting up right now. I'm probably not going to do with anything right now for this, so I'm gonna have to shut this off after I'm done. I just want to make sure that this actually boots up and works properly. So yeah, hopefully it works. I'm praying that it actually does work. Do I need to do anything? Because I feel the haptic feedback working. I don't know if I have to do anything here specifically, but maybe I have to, or something. There you go. I didn't even know you have to hold the button. That's a shame. Yeah, it's a slow charger. Yeah, no. Yeah, so we don't need to do that. I'm gonna have to shut it down anyway, so that's pretty cool. So it works. Let's power it off. Let's power it off for right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so gotta make sure that's powered off, and now we can start the upgrade. So, yep, let's get into upgrading. Jesus, I don't know what took so long. Yo, this battery pack, real talk, scares the of me because of how tight that ribbon cable is. That's the worst part. That ribbon cable is so tight. So now we got to go remove the SSD. Let's see if this is a. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we got to be careful here. Yeah. Now comes the easy part. Just swapping the SSD should be the easy part. Okay. Let's put it in here. Get this boy out. First, we're gonna remove the thing here, and then we're gonna take the drive out. Oh, fudge. Whoops! Almost dropped that. So there's the drive. I'm gonna have to set that down. Gotta also unbox the this thing. So this is the sketchiest SSD install. So see here, the SSD right here. First, we gotta put it in here. Jesus, I don't know why that took so long. This is probably one of the worst videos I've ever done. The worst, probably one of the worst DIY videos I've ever done in my life. So, gotta plug this in. All right. All right, guys. So after what it felt like forever, like hours, like literally, it's nighttime now, and I've just got everything set up. So yeah, Steam Deck is here. Let's see. So if I go to, let's say I go to, yeah, let's go to settings. Let's go to settings there. Let's see here. Battery percentage. No, we don't need to see that. We want to see the system. Can't see. OS, advanced. Let's see here. Let's see where we can find the storage. There we go. Storage. Hey, there we go, baby. Not 1 terabyte worth of storage right there. Okay. So I'm gonna end the video for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and install Windows so I can dual boot and play some Windows only games that I have. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do a full review after I don't know, a couple months or a couple weeks after this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.